Good afternoon, guys. This is Amanda Ottoman. I'm now here with another video of a timing of a GS460 Lexus. So let's go with the timing. You can see a mark I put on the camshaft there. Look here, you can see the mark here. Look here also, you can see the mark. This is the bank 2, this is the cylinder 2. Just want you to know there's difference between this 1UR timing and 2GR timing. In a 2GR timing, at this cylinder 2, there will be 2 marks here at the camshaft, this small camshaft there. You see it. But in this one, don't make mistake, there will be one mark here. If you see this one also, the one at the cylinder 1, which is the bank 1. This is the bank 1. With the bank 1 also, we are going with 1 mark, not like 2GR. I want you to notice that before you start your timing. So when you see the camshaft there, see the camshaft, you can see this one facing this side, and go with this one too, you see it facing that side. That is the camshaft setting. So see the coloring mark. I marked here this angle. You can see the mark I put on this angle. That is the angle of the timing, and I put a mark here also at the middle of this. Let's go with the timing straight at the cylinder 1, the bank 1, which at the, what's they call, the master brake side. That is the cylinder 1. Cylinder 1 is cool with that. So let me go back to the cylinder 2. You can see it here. We go. I put a mark at the middle here at the inlet camshaft. You can see the mark here. It's go with this correspondingly. And this one also, I put a mark here at this angle at the cylinder 2 for the exhaust camshaft. It will go with this mark here. The yellow mark is going with the mark I put here. Yes. So now back to the crankshaft. For you to get the crankshaft timing, there's something I do before I remove the engine. So I used to turn. Let me bring the front cover. So assuming I've put in the front cover, see the front cover. Assuming I've put in this front cover, you could have seen what I'm saying easily. So at this point, for me to get your timing, to get the timing at the crankshaft, before removing the timing, when I started losing the engine, I go with this. Let me show you for example. This is the front cover here. The front cover is here outside. Then the front cover is here. I'll put my pulley. This is my pulley. So let me just put the pulley. This is the pulley inside. So I'm just, for example, I will just turn it to the 0. You see from this pulley here, you can see the pulley. There's a mark, factory mark at the pulley. You see it easily. So when you turn it, for you to get your crankshaft, when you turn it down. So this is what it will give you to get your crankshaft time. You can see it. It will go with this. It will go with this 0 point. So when you go with this, before removing your front cover, so you get the timing of the crankshaft here. That's what you do. Or I use another method. So let me show you the method. As like this, I will turn my crankshaft. When I started turning the crankshaft, I will just turn my crankshaft. When I started turning my crankshaft, so I will need to lose my number 1 plug at here. The number 1 plug at your this left hand. Yes, at your left hand when you face front, right hand when you face the engine. So at the brake side, the brake master side, so the number 1 plug here, I will lose it. When I lose the plug, I've started turning the crankshaft here. When the piston is fully up, That one also will give you your timing point here, where you start the timing at the crankshaft. So let me fix this chain and let's start the timing. I show you how to set the timing. Stay tuned and watch. Yes, now I fixed the chain. I don't think one person can fix the chain, so I need to drop the phone to fix the chain because it's not easy to fix. You fix it with use your brain when fixing it, and you'll be smart, so the chain will not wound you. Now this is the cylinder 2 and this is the cylinder 1. Okay, so there's now the chain is, see the yellow mark here, and this, the upper one is going with the one with 2 marks. You can see them corresponding with each other with the mark I marked here. They are going with it straight away. That is cylinder 2 at the inlet camshaft. So let's go to exhaust side at the cylinder 2. You can see it here. Let's go with the mark I mark at this angle here. It's going with this corresponding. So this is the cylinder 1, the back one of the engine, the 4th cylinder. This is it. This is the yellow mark corresponding with this. I'm going with this 2 red mark here. With this here, I marked it. You see, it's corresponding. So let's go with this. The one under. This is the one under also. It's going with the mark I mark here with this simple. So let's go to the crankshaft. You can see the crankshaft. The crankshaft here. You see a point here, and there's a point also under this here. We're going with this under with the 2 points. There are 2 different sockets there, 2 different sprockets. One carrying the chain for about 2, the other one carries the chain for cylinder 1. Cylinder 1 and cylinder 2 carry the chain for it. You can see it there. So how do you get this point here? That's the one I'm explaining that time. Like, to get the point at the under of the crankshaft, you make sure your number 1 piston is fully up, which is this one. Your number 1 piston is fully up. You will remove this plug to get the piston up. You remove this to get the piston up. Yes.
Michael, you are not a good person.
You see from the camshaft, see this one facing there like this. You see the other one facing another place. They are bending on same level. See this facing this one also is facing that side. That is the timing of a 1UR engine, Lexus GS460 engine timing. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Love you all. Appreciate your viewings. You can also show me love. I promise to give you more better videos ahead. Thanks for watching.